Transforming homes across Chicagoland is what we do here at Siding and Windows Group. With a commitment to top-tier craftsmanship and timeless curb appeal, we can guarantee results that you'll love. Today we're showcasing a breathtaking American Craftsman revival featuring James Hardie's straight-edge shingle siding in the dreamy Chardonnay color from their Dream Collection. But first, let's take a look at where it all began. The stucco front porch ceiling, soffit, fascia, and gutters were in rough shape, and the old roof was ready for a replacement. The homeowners dreamed of a fresh, updated look, and that's just what we gave them. For this transformation, we replaced the worn-out concrete stucco with James Hardie's straight-edge shingle siding in the elegant Dream Collection color Chardonnay, perfectly matching the new soffit and fascia that are in the same color as well. The windows were upgraded to premium Marvin windows, while the aging roof was replaced with a GAF timberline roof in weathered wood. To enhance the home's charm, we installed copper K-style gutters and a beautiful Douglas fir wood board ceiling for the front porch. For the final touch, we also provided a brand new garage, which completed the stunning makeover. With over 40 years of experience in exterior remodeling, we've earned the reputation for delivering lasting protection and exceptional style. As trusted James Hardie contractors, we're honored to be Hardie Elite Preferred and to be the top James Hardie installer in all of Illinois. Chicago homeowners, let's bring your visions to life. Give us a call or visit our website for a free quote, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and follow us on social media for more content like this in the future.